In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Fidelity NetBenefits. Whether you're using a phone, tablet, or computer, the process remains consistent. This is very convenient as it ensures you can manage your benefits from anywhere. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other. Once your browser is open, simply type in the following address: login.fidelity.com/ftgw/fa/fidelity/nbpart/login. This will take you directly to the NetBenefits login page so you can access your account. Now, on this page, you'll need to enter your username. Your username could be a custom one you created. If you haven't changed it, it might still be your social security number. For some accounts, it could even be your employer participant number. It's important to remember which one you use to set up your account. This helps in avoiding any login issues later on. With your username entered, let's move on to the password. Type in your NetBenefits password carefully. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, meaning capital letters or lowercase letters matter. This is an important security feature that protects your account from unauthorized access. Once you've typed in both your username and password, it's time to click or tap on the Login button. After doing so, you'll be taken directly to your dashboard. This is where you can view your 401k, pension, or any other benefits linked to your account. Seeing your benefits at a glance can help you make informed decisions about your financial future. But what if you can't remember your login details? Don't worry, there's a simple solution. Right there on the login page, you'll see options for Forgot Username and Forgot Password. Clicking on Forgot Username will guide you through the process of recovering it. Similarly, clicking Forgot Password will help you reset it. During this process, you'll be asked to verify your identity. This could be through email, phone, or by answering security questions. This step is crucial as it ensures that your account remains secure. Now, let's go over some common login tips to make your experience smoother. NetBenefits uses the same login information as Fidelity.com. This means if you have both accounts, you only need to remember one set of login details. This can save you time and effort, especially if you frequently switch between accounts. Another thing to keep in mind is to ensure you're using the correct employer account if you have multiple jobs. Logging into the wrong account might cause confusion about your benefits. At this point, you're well equipped to access Fidelity NetBenefits with ease. Remember, managing your benefits efficiently can have a significant impact on your financial well-being. If you ever encounter issues, reassess the details you entered or use the recovery options provided. Being able to navigate these steps confidently will give you peace of mind knowing that your benefits are just a few clicks away. Thank you for watching and happy logging in.